Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be making mac and cheese microwaveable. Alright, bro. So what you gotta do first, bro? Alright, remove this, bro. You see? Remove it. Sure. Don't mess that up, bro. It's the main part. It's the main part. Okay. Got the cheese right here. So now we need to add water. I'm gonna use this first. That is extremely cold. Alright. Alright. So now, now you gotta leave this in the microwave for 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. So we'll be right back.
Yup.
Got the frame.
Okay, I know.
Bruh. Ooh, that hot. That be hot. That be hot. There'd be a whole bunch of powder. See, look at all that. You see that? You can't be leaving that stuff in there, bro. You gotta get that out. Even if there's a mess. Alright. Ooh, so much cheese. Dang. Yo, you get that sounding in, bruh? Yo, sound guy, you got that sound in, bruh?
Yup.
Alright. Now, we'll get back to it in a bit. Just let it cool off and we'll be right back. Alright, so here we go. It's been cooling down for about 5 minutes or so. Alright, let's still taste it. Ooh, still good. That's good. That's good. Hold on. Gonna mix it up a bit. Cheetos. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh! No, bro, hold up. Mix it with this now. Fine, fine now. It's too gross. You gotta drink though. Bro, y'all don't. Yeah, bro, watch out, bro. This is too crazy, bro. Hold on, bro. Alright. Sound guy, what's so funny? Alright. So this is the meal. Here, we got it. Fine. And then we'll go slow. Yo, boom guy over there is going crazy. Okay, so now we're gonna do a slow-mo of all the items here. Alright, peace. Yo, now that you guys have learned the best recipe for macaroni and cheese, you guys should go like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bro, and tell us in the comments what else we should cook. That's the end of the video. Yo, peace.